Take someone like Lewis. Okay, he actually advanced one of these arguments for unrestricted composition. He said, oh, if we don't have unrestricted composition, then well, I think in terms of vagueness, but anyway, we can say in terms of this, in these terms, how do we draw the line? He faces the very same problem as we do. Because in his book on parts of classes, he wants to combine mereology and set theory. In fact, he wants to take each set to be the fusion of its singletons. He said, I have unrestricted composition, so no arbitrary line. But he cannot say that every object has a singleton, because then paradox arises. So he says, okay, well then, not every object has a singleton. What? I have a singleton, you have a singleton. For some strange reason, some objects don't have singletons. Well, this is just as bad as anything, right? He's had to draw an arbitrary line. He could have added all those singletons, and then you would have to give up unrestricted composition. The two are in tension with one another. You can't have them both. And so, you have to settle, at best, for having one as opposed to the other, and then you've drawn an artificial line, because there's absolutely no reason to settle for one as opposed to the other.